Today we are building dioramas. I took my class to the Medicine Park Aquarium this last Tuesday, and we focused on the different habitats that were in the different areas, and I wanted to tie that in with the hands-on experiment, so this is just kind of deepening that knowledge of the habitats. Guys, these are turning out so good!
What does your diorama look like?
It's like a fish aquarium. It has like rocks, seaweed, some other sea critters that we sculpt. We have like a snail and a crab.
I put some trees, some grass, and we made like a slide for them and like a drinking station, and we made a swimming pool.
I wanted to find something to tie in with the aquarium, so I kind of did some research on different activities, and when I came across the diorama idea, I thought that would be really fun and interesting because it gives them a chance not only to make that connection with what they learned, but it gives them a chance to express it in their own way and find ways to create something that they have seen.
What's been your favorite part about doing this?
That we get this to like play with clay, make stuff. We get this to work together, talk to friends about what we're doing.
I like gluing the grass on there and making the slide for the otters to go down.
This is an opportunity to bridge those gaps, to teach them how to communicate with each other, to teach them to work as a team, because as they go through their educational career and even as they end up as an adult at a job, they're going to have to be able to have that capability to work with others. I have it in my head how I want it to look, and so seeing how they take the supplies that I'm giving them and actually turn it into what those exhibits should look like, it's really exciting seeing how their brains work.